Indian family settings and what makes them very dysfunctional, okay, and which each of us has to guard against, not letting it become dysfunctional. Either we don't make it dysfunctional or we don't allow others to make it dysfunctional. The problem in the Indian family setting is that one person is the successful person of the family, no longer the male, though it was traditionally the male. And then say this person is like the star of the family, or the central planet, the sun of the family. And then there are some planets which go around, this person is like the narcissist who feels is better than the others and whose feelings are more important. Or the patriarch, you can say, think of a desi businessman and the patriarch of the family. He can basically run a roller coaster over others' feelings, and their needs are taken care of. And then the others are the stars. So there are some people in a larger family who are kind of sucking up to this person, and who are trying to win admiration in the eyes of this person and complying with this person. And then around that are people who care a damn for this person and who become totally indifferent. This is a very common thing which any family kind of becomes. Even if it is a small family of 3 or a large family of 10, it'll be like about one person, then some will suck up to him and some will become indifferent. So it's like the central sun and the planets and then the satellites who are far away, and then they are not cared for and they are living their own life having checked out. So this dynamic is what makes a family very dysfunctional, where all of a sudden one person has gotten predominance. So to break this dysfunctional, you have to do your best to break this dysfunctionality out of the family and try and make everybody equally important and fight for it if required. Fight with a patriarch or fight with a matriarch, or fight, stand up for the weakling, but that balance has to be brought. Only then we can look forward to have the kind of family